Hi, my name is Pella, and today I'm going to show you how to make crispy rosemary chicken and fries. First, place 8 chicken thighs with the skin on into a large bowl. Then you add 6 cored red potatoes over the chicken and pour 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil all over the chicken and potatoes and stir to coat them. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh rosemary and 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Now, if you like, add some dried oregano, Italian seasoning, and dried parsley flakes onto the chicken and potatoes. Now, if you like, you can sprinkle a little bit of torn sesame curry seasoning and sharp pepper dust poachy magic onto the chicken and potatoes. Now sprinkle some onion powder and garlic powder. Now you can add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper onto the chicken and potatoes to taste. Now, if you like, add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce and soy sauce. Now mix everything together well. Now arrange the chicken thighs onto a greased baking pan. Now add the potatoes all around the baking pan. Place the chicken and potatoes uncovered into a preheated 375-degree oven and bake them for 1 hour until they're golden brown. Now brush the chicken with the pan juices during the last 15 minutes. Then, if you like, add some green beans. And put it back into the oven and bake them for another 15 minutes. Remove the chicken, fries, and green beans out of the oven at the bake at 375 degrees for 1 hour. Now this is the final presentation of the crispy rosemary chicken, fries, and green beans. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.